Welcome back. Today I will solve remaining question of exercise 8.4. Question number 5, part of 5th. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Prove that. So taking LHS. So cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. So now give cosec A and cot A. So change cot A and cosec A. So now divide sin A numerator and denominator. Now dividing by sin A numerator and denominator, we get so cos A upon sin A and sin A upon sin A and plus 1 upon sin A, and also divide by cos A upon sin A and plus sin A upon sin A plus minus 1 upon sin A. So also we can write cos upon sin will cot A, and sin cancel out, get 1, and plus 1 upon sin we was cosec A, and also cos upon sin cot A, and plus sin A upon sin A will 1 and minus cosec A. So now also you can change, so arrange this numerator cosec A plus cot A minus 1, and also divide by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So since 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A, and also 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. Now this value, now 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. Now put here, we get so cosec A plus cot A and minus 1 replace in cosec square A minus cot square A upon, now write down cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So also you can write cosec A plus cot A, now taken in bracket, and minus A square minus B square. So we can write cosec A plus cot A, and also cosec A minus cot A. So also and and now denominator write down a plus 1 minus cosec a. So and common out cosec a plus cot a, this and this. So common out cosec a plus cot a, and also rest common out. So this place 1 and minus cosec a plus cot a. So this is minus, so in this bracket, and so cosec a plus cot a common out. So in this place 1 and minus, so this, and also this cot a plus 1 minus cosec a, and also this cot cosec a plus cot a, and 1 minus cosec a plus cot a. Now minus multiply in this bracket, so we get this, and also we can write down cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. So cot a plus cot a and plus 1 minus cosec a minus cosec a. So this is also both are equal, so cancel out and rest cosec a plus cot a. This is RHS. Prove that. Question number 5th part of 6, square root of 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a is equal to, prove that, is equal to sec a plus tan a. So now take in LHS root 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. So now remove square root. So you can change in opposite conjugate, multiply by this 1 plus sin a, opposite conjugate multiply by numerator and denominator. So multiply by 1 plus sin a numerator and denominator, we get so 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. So multiply by 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a. So given that square root 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a, so multiply by 1 plus sin a, opposite conjugate of denominator taken. So 1 plus sin a multiply by numerator and denominator, so we get this. So 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. So we can write 1 plus sin a whole square, and also 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A minus B and A plus B. So you can write 1 square minus sin square. So A square minus B square. So we can write 1 square and sin square. So 1 plus sin 1 plus sin 1 plus sin A whole square and square root. So square root cancel out 1 plus sin A upon, and also 1 plus 1 minus sin square A. So this square root, and 1 plus sin A upon this identity 1 minus sin A square A cos square A, and also we can write 1 plus sin A upon square and square root cancel out. So we get cos A separated by LCM 1 upon cos A and plus sin A upon cos A. So we get 1 upon cos A, sec A, and sin A upon cos A, tan A. So this is sec A plus tan A come out. So proved. ठीक हो. Question number 7th part of question 5. So sin theta minus 2 sin q theta upon 2 cos q theta minus cos theta, so is equal to tan theta. So prove that. How can prove? So come out tan theta. So taking LHS sin theta minus 2 sin q theta upon 2 cos q theta minus cos theta. So tan theta, so sin upon cos theta. So now common out numerator sin theta, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and also cos theta come out. So cos theta common out, so 2 cos square theta minus 1. So also you can write sin theta in bracket minus 2 sin 1 minus cos square theta by identity. So cos theta and 2 cos square theta minus 1. So given sin theta minus 2 sin q theta upon 2 cos q theta minus cos theta. So prove that tan theta means sin upon cos. So common out sin theta in numerator. So sin theta common out. So common out this 1 and minus 2 1 power common out. So 2 power get sin square theta, and also you can write denominator. So common out cos theta. So 2 cos rest 2 cos square theta minus in place of 1, and also sin theta in bracket 1 minus 2 sin change in cos. So identity since 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So sin square theta replace 1 minus cos square theta. So also you can write sin theta and 1 minus 2 multiply by in this bracket we get minus 2 and plus 2 cos square theta, and upon write down cos theta and 2 cos square theta minus 1. And also we can write sin theta and 1 minus 2, so get minus 1 and plus 2 cos square theta and upon cos theta in bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. And also you can write sin theta and positive initially 2 cos square theta minus 1 and divide by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cancel out. So rest sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So give RHS proved that. That's all. कहो